Good morning, everyone. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options and your morning market preparation video for July 5th, 2017. Well, welcome back, everyone. I hope everyone had a great 4th of July holiday. And now we're looking at a market that's really confused. We've got contradictory price action signals all over the place. And let me go through this real quickly. First, the diamonds attempted a breakout on Monday on crazy light volume, attempted to break out, but then ended up with a nasty whipsaw at the end of the day, taking back more than half of that rally before it ended up closing. So kind of a contradictory signal here. We try to break out, and now we leave behind a candle pattern that is a little bit questionable and could easily be seen as a shooting star type pattern. Now, futures this morning are giving us just an ever so slight move in the diamonds. We're looking at a 6-point pop up this morning, at least at this point. So nothing that really warrants a lot of bullish feeling here. Just some confusion, to be honest. And then when you add in the other indexes, the confusion becomes extreme. So here we have the diamonds trying to make new highs. Let's take a look at the Qs. We have the Qs on Friday trying to make new lows. In fact, it looks like the possibility of breaking this support today could happen. It's possible that we could find support here and rally, but with the overall patterns of the market, boy, I got to tell you, the chances of breaking this seems pretty strong. If we look at moving averages and things like that, we have broken the 50-day moving average, and we are looking lower. Now, don't be surprised if we crack this low that we'll see some fast selling underneath this and then a bounce. Okay, now Qs are clearly in a downtrend. There's no other way you could see them other than a downtrend. We have a very clear signal here of a low, a lower high, and a new low. And that is the definition of a downtrend. So Qs are downtrending while diamonds are trying to make new highs. Then let's take a look at the SPY. SPY is stuck underneath all of this price chop that we've had here, stuck within its overall long-term uptrend, and stuck below price resistance. So it's like it's not even participating or trying to participate. I don't know where this goes. This could be creating this little price wedge in here, and those can resolve either up or down. There's no way to know exactly where this is going to go. Follow that up with the IWM. IWM holding support, showing basically a morning star type pattern here, right below this resistance. It tried to break out on Monday, couldn't quite do it, pulled back, and now is showing a gap down. I got to tell you guys that we've got contradictory signals all over the place. That makes this a very dangerous market, and one that makes me want to stand aside. Now, if you do decide to trade, I highly recommend you trade smaller than normal positions, because stop outs will probably be fairly common. We're likely going to see quite a little whip back and forth. Now, this being just the day after a holiday, you've got to imagine we're going to have light volumes. We also have the FOMC report today. FOMC will be coming out with their minutes today at 2 o'clock p.m. And we've all seen this before, where the market gets very choppy and light volume while we're waiting for that report. So, you combine that with people, traders not being back for the holiday. and that report plus these contradictory signals, we could see a very, very difficult market to trade. Just be careful, be cautious, and my personal plan is to stand aside, manage the positions I am currently in, but to stand aside. I will be looking for new trades. I will be building my shopping list. I'm going to have to see something pretty darn perfect for me to jump into this market right now. I think what I am expecting is an awful lot of confusion from the market. If we take a look at the VIX, whoops, I got to slow down here in my chart. We're seeing an awful lot. Look at this back and forth in here. I mean, this is schizophrenia here. This is a market that doesn't know what to do with itself, and we're all over the place, whipping back and forth. Guys, seriously, be careful. Protect your capital here. Anything is possible. We could zoom up to new highs. We could zoom down to new lows, and we could even do both of those within the same trading day. So be very, very careful here. The whip, this market is more suited right now for very quick day traders than it is swing traders. This is the kind of market that will chop you up. So be very, very careful, okay? Other than the FOMC minutes today on the economic calendar, we have factory orders at 10 a.m. And then again, FOMC minutes are at 2 p.m. Eastern time today. On the economic calendar, we have 19 companies reporting earnings today. None of them would be what I would call market movers, but there are a couple that members may have been paying attention to, and that would be YUMC. YUMC reports after the close today. It left a pretty good signal behind here on Monday, looking like it wants to go high. Wants to go higher here. And so be careful if you're in that or you're watching that one. Don't be surprised by these earnings. Remember, we have to start being very vigilant here. We're heading into a new quarter, and lots of earnings are going to start cropping up here in the next couple of weeks, and you don't want to be surprised by that. So with that, I got to tell you, I'm going to be doing a lot of just watching today, standing aside, because I think there's a lot of danger here, and I don't like giving back what I've worked so hard to earn. So I'll be waiting for really, really good signals, or I will be waiting for this market to finally calm down a little bit, pick a direction, and decide what it wants to do. I know that seems like a bummer. You know, everyone wants to trade, but not every day is a good day to trade. And this doesn't seem like a very good day to trade to me. That could change. I can always be wrong, but I just highly suggest caution here. All right, everyone, have a great day. And I will, Right Way Options, we will kick back off normal time today. If this is the first time you've seen this information, would like to receive this information regularly, do me a favor, click that subscribe button on YouTube and click that follow me button on Facebook so that you can get notified when I post this information. Everyone take care, and I will talk to you all soon.